We're going to start with Chapter 8, the Reactivity series. In this chapter, we'll talk about reactions between elements and compounds. And based on these reactions, we will discover new information and ideas together. In this figure, found on our books, page 60, figure 8.1, the rails are welded together using molten iron, produced by a reactivity series reaction between aluminium and iron oxide. So this melted iron is produced when aluminium and iron oxide react together. In the next figure, figure 8.2, gold is so unreactive that it will remain chemically unchanged in contact with the air or water forever. So gold does not react with water or air. That's why when we expose gold to water or air, it will stay the same. It does not react with the oxygen in the air nor with the water. These are examples of the reactions that we will discuss in this chapter.